on the roof once last night. So I let him in.
Oh, you know what? I think Santa left the batteries over on the floor for those. Let's see. Daddy, you want to hold this?
Ooh.
Well, if I can find Daddy's.
He got better toys this year. Yes, we got a little bit older.
Yeah.
Yep. And he got us the basketball set. Yay! Austin, turn around on the floor.
He's itching real bad.
I got bit by bugs last night. Me too. I felt one. That's why he called it that no sleep.
Oh, I need a screwdriver.
I felt one on my
Let them open their other presents. We'll worry about them later.
Okay, we'll worry about these later.
And I wanted one of those games.
Did all these pieces come with that?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
That's the air hockey table there, Colton.
Huh?
That's the air hockey table there.
What is this?
Yeah. We can play. That's an Xbox game.
Is that Xbox?
That's Wii.
Oh yeah. Sonic has a game that's cool.
Baseball
First we
hat.
Here, Crystal, come get this dang thing.
We got a
I gotta
scoop.
test this out.
I ain't sitting there holding it.
There
Okay,
you
just
go.
turn it off because I can't find the other quarter and I can't just set it down.
Here we
Yeah.
go.
Well,
We got a scooter. Oh no. I'll be home. Wrap it.
Stitches?
okay. Set.
Sit down.
Look, kind of face it toward Daddy a little. Okay, so we got one.
Ooh, rip now?
No, I hand them out to you.
Okay, I see you, dog. You're struggling to wait.
I know what mine is. Can I take my Build-A-Bear down?
Huh? Yeah, you can take the Build-A-Bear down if you want to help Mommy.
I got my flashlight and stuff.
Colton, move your remote control so you have room.
I am.
Sit back some, baby.
Hey, I know where my long one is. My two ones. What two ones?
But if you see your name on the present, Colton, get it.
Okay.
You see your brothers can hand it to me.
Okay. Man, I keep falling.
I know, that's why I was trying to separate y'all. Scoot back. Back. Back some more.
Let me see.
That says, I think that says Austin.
Yeah.
What does that one say? Colton. The big gift, it should be your brother's.
No, it's mine.
No,
Let me see.
that says Austin.
I don't even got one. I'll forget it. Take a smell of it. I found the air hockey things. Hey, Daddy, come to Durkin.
Huh?
Come to Durkin.
Stop!
I'll be here in a minute.
You have a gift? I got one of you. Mine. It's mine. Oh, God.
I'm sorry. Did you forgive me?
Yeah. Hey, I can just go through Austin wasn't even asleep. Then I fall asleep. He fell asleep, but he was snoring. No, I wasn't.
Alright, y'all go ahead and do those.
Here.
Yay! Austin,
What'd you get?
yep. We used to have one again. We used to have one
Hey.
Nene.
Yeah.
Nene, we really do use
I know it.
stove. We have another. Oh God! What? That was outstanding. Oh yeah.
Let me see.
One
Oh,
for three.
3 of them.
Yay!
Oh, wow.
Joe built it too.
Awesome.
Open up some more, bud.
I am. Oh God! We both have the same name.
Uh-oh.
Oh. I told you there's one package with 3 diesel trucks. Ah, yes.
What is that?
I don't know.
Right
Oh,
there. Let me see.
Hey, Colton, look. That's awesome.
MP3 player.
It
Cool.
comes with a picture. I get an MP3 player on it. We both have that little bitty one. Yep. That's